for every kind of a people. The films that you talked about, maybe they are marketed for by a certain people, for a certain section of people. That's what is important, I think. That's what is the difference.
Lovely. Let's get some questions from the audience. If you could raise your hands, and I can see so many have already gone up, but this gentleman here in the second row, you first.
Does tell you even now to have an item number, an actress with a swimsuit?
No, nothing. Right now, nothing. They just want to listen to the script, the concept. कि concept क्या है? Like, ये concept है, okay, we are doing the film. So it has taken years, Rohit. You have seen it. कि how much years it took to establish. Once you are established, it's okay. But initially, you have problem like people will tell you कि you know इसमें ये होना चाहिए. Because see, we don't blame them because everybody looks for the safety. Like जैसे कि हमको picture बनानी है तो we want to make it safe. अच्छा song हो, अच्छे actors हो, proper release हो. That is very essential. So I think now it has stopped really. Thanks.
Thank you.
Nice to see you here, Rohit. Rohit is one of my former colleagues.
जोर से बोलने की कोशिश करिए, आवाज आ जाएगी.
I would like to add to the theme of this thing. All of the wonderful people on the panel have said what changed their life. I have just turned into a filmmaker last year, made my first film. There are two people on the panel who've changed my life. First is Madhurji. He made Chandni Bar, it changed your life too. When I saw that film, I could not believe I'm watching a Bollywood film. You know, for me it was real life in front of the eyes, you know, it was just rolling in front of you. It was dark, no doubt. I have never seen a darker film made in India. I mean, ma'am worked in Earth, but we both agree that Chandni Bar is far more. It dealt with something which was the underbelly of the world. But that didn't give me the guts and the, you know, the courage to make a film, because you said it cost you 1.5 crore back then.
Yeah.
That's 15 crores today. And if Chandni Bar released today, it wouldn't make 15 crores at the box office. So it would have been a, you know, difficult proposition. The second person who changed my life is Amol Gupte sir. He made a beautiful piece of cinema called Stanley Ka Dabba. He made it with very modest means. He shot with a camera that I thought is harakiri. And he made a commercially viable...
Great. The lady in the third row. Yes, ma'am, just wait for the mic.
I saw One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest 5 times in a row. I was an acting student, and as part of exchange program, I had gone from drama school to Film Institute, Pune, and that film had just released in 1978, I think. And you see, when you're drama school students, you always think that, oh, I can do this and I can do that. I saw the first show at 12 to 3, then I saw 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and next morning again 12 to 3 and 3 to 6. It changed my life because it set a bar for me as an actor. So that kind of thing, that Mr. Jack Nicholson can reach that level of performance, that was phenomenal. And that did change my life as an actor. And when I met him, I just touched his feet for that performance. That was wonderful.
Thank you. His masala films from the 70s, which we then watched on VHS, were definitely, you know, I just loved those, you know, every kid's favorite film, and it, you know, it made me want to turn to singing and you know, performing. Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. This question is for Anupamji, Subhashji, and of course Madhuji. The kind of compassion shown in the cinema, done by you or acted by, we can't see again and again. Why is that so?
Okay, Subhashji.
You see, as everyone knows, the